how to ignore your current reality, your 3D reality. Well, the thing is, you don't really have to ignore it. Your 3D reality right now, whatever it's looking like right now, is just your old story. Because what you worried about or thought about or impressed on your subconscious yesterday and the day before and the day before and the day before is still showing up now. So you need to change the story, change your assumptions for different results tomorrow and the day after and the day after and forever, hopefully. So the way to ignore your current reality today before things have really started to change is to just not react. You still have to live your life. Let's be serious here. You still have to live your life. You still have things that have to be done. You still have things that have to be taken care of. You still have to live your life, your normal daily routine. But what you're not going to do is you're not going to react. If something from your old story pops up to try to trigger you, you are going to say, no, because see, tomorrow you're not going to be here. Tomorrow you're not going to be in my reality. Tomorrow this is not going to be a problem because this is all taken care of now. I don't have to worry about you, so you can just go because that is your old story. So you don't react. There is no need to react. Your 3D reality is not real. It's only a story that you've created and therefore has shown up for you. So once you're changing your story, you can know for certain that the same way this showed up from your old assumptions, tomorrow or the next day or the next day, your new story is going to show up. And then this story that you almost reacted to will not even be relevant anymore. So there's no need to emotionally react to it. That is actually a great way to speed up your manifestations. Don't react. Because every time you react, you impress the subconscious and you recreate it. Don't do that. If you want to go ahead and cut it off now and get your shit manifesting faster, getting your new reality going faster, you don't react. See, my biggest block used to be money. And a bank account, opening the bank app would make me react. A bill would make me react. But once I said, no, I got money. I got money in all kinds of accounts. I create thousands of dollars a day. I'm a self-manifested millionaire. My business is booming. I sign new clients every day. See, it did not take long for me sitting here and thinking those things to myself over and over and over. I didn't even really create a scene. I just would sit quietly and think my affirmations to myself. Because if you ever read Neville talks a lot about inner conversations. They're very powerful, and your life is basically a reflection of your inner conversations. Whatever is going through your head all throughout the day, it's impressing at certain times of the day when you're in sats. And then it's manifesting in your life tomorrow. So I changed my inner conversations. I didn't give anything else a chance to come in anymore because I had had enough of being afraid of a bank account or being afraid of a bill. See, now I don't give a shit. And this was a week ago that I changed my money mindset. It did not take me long. I only did the affirmations in my head for a couple of days. But you know what? I continue to do them because it is now a lifestyle, a habit for me. To think to myself, I have plenty of money. I sign new clients every day. I'm helping millions of people. My business is booming. I have money. I create thousands of dollars a day. I'm a self-manifested millionaire. Those are my habitual thoughts now. Those are now how I react. Where used to it would be fear. Now, there's not even things testing me anymore. It can't bother me because I know I have the money. So you need to not react. You need to do what I did. Sit quietly, make out a list of how you would like things to be. Whatever you're manifesting, whether it be a specific person, money, job, house, car, whatever. It doesn't matter. Whatever it is. A lot of my clients want to be social media famous. That's great. Be social media famous. Write it out. Everyone loves me. The entire world loves me. They hang off my every word. I have millions of followers. I have millions of subscribers. They all love me. I'm the most wanted, most loved. Fill in the blank. Okay? Make you a list of things to sit and think to yourself. reaffirm to yourself calmly in a relaxed state. Just think them. If they create a scene, great. But do you need to try to create a scene? No, because your mind automatically creates a picture when you're thinking something. Your inner conversations automatically create a picture in your mind, and it knows what to manifest. When you're putting those thoughts into your head, see, the two, the negative and the positive, cannot live together. So when you're putting these new beliefs in your head, they are canceling out the old beliefs. So in a short amount of time, you won't have anything to react to anyway. So just take this time, take the chance, don't react. It's not helping you to react, it's actually hurting you. Stop reacting. That's how you ignore your reality. You don't technically ignore it, you just don't react to it. You just look at it like, bitch, what are you gonna do? You're not real. I'm your boss. Tomorrow you're not gonna exist. You do whatever you need to do in your daily life, but do it knowing that your manifestation is coming, your story is changing, and none of it matters. None of it matters. And that's it. That's how you ignore your current reality. It's that simple.